Sometimes when we try to resize photos using editing software, we will find that the photo becomes blurred as we enlarge it. Especially when the enlarged picture is set as the desktop wallpaper, the whole screen will feel blurry. So today we're going to explore how to increase the quality of pictures while enlarge them. We will use these two anime pictures to show the upscale and enlarge effects. And we will use an excellent online photo enhancer AI tool to help us upscale and enlarge anime pictures. Search for AVC Labs and enter the homepage of the website. Select Photo Enhancer AI Online in the AI category, it will automatically jump to AVC AI. This is the tool we will use today. First enter the account information to log in. Then upload two anime pictures to the program. Here we can see the pixels of the original image. Now let's start to enlarge and upscale them. Select Upscale and set the scale to 400%. Then turn on the face refinement function. After the setup is complete, click Start Processing. The credits required for this processing will be displayed in the pop-up window. If you want more credits, just subscribe to us and get 60 credits. Now the pictures has started to process, please wait patiently for a while. After the image processing is completed, we can preview the effect. First look at the overall effect, slide the vertical bar to view it. Then click the zoom in button to view more face details. Next comes the second picture. Still the same operation, check the overall effect and face details. Both anime pictures are handled well, right? Then just click the red button to download them. Thanks for watching. Just subscribe to get more credits.